This is actually a kit, so they have the shower and styling portion of your hair routine covered. First, we have to let the rat's nest down. Then we jump into the shampoo and lather it up. Like, are you seeing this lathering? I literally didn't even know that was possible. I thought it was like a commercial myth, but I guess not. Next, the conditioner. We're going to apply it, run it through the hair, brush it through. If you don't brush your hair in the shower, babes, please get on that. Hyping myself up to do my hair, and let's get into it. So, hair oil. It's infused with yummy herbs and botanicals, and my scalp loved it. So the Knotless leave-in conditioner. 3 words to describe it: smooth, lightweight, and easy to work with. I applied it literally everywhere, and nowhere did my hair feel weighed down. And look at the definition of the curls. Like, I'm so excited to see how it could get any better than this. Okay, so lastly, we're going to work that styling cream into our hair. You already know the deal. Not only did the definition get kicked up a notch, but the moisture. Like, when you squish the ends of your hair and you can actually hear the water, that's when you know. So I literally just let my hair air dry, and my hair was defined and bouncy. Like, I could pick out the cutest little curl here and there. I don't want just definition though, so we had to pull it apart, shake it out, and see if I could get that volume too. And I did. I got volume without losing definition, making this haircut a must.